refer to this particular worksheet. This particular worksheet I am referring to explain you with absolute reference. Now here you can see the headings I have written vertically. Earlier it was horizontally, right? So here I have written it vertically. Now English mark, maths mark, science mark, IT marks, and the practical IT marks is written here. And this one should be added to everybody. Now total also I am going to find it like this horizontally. Earlier I used to write the total vertically and we have dragged it like this. Okay, but this time we have to drag it like this. So to find out the total, you have to select it like this, the easiest one, and click on this AutoSum, and it will find out the total. But I need this value also, right? I need this value also. So what I will do, we can do that one also with the help of function, but we will come to it later on because function we have not discussed yet. So what I will do, equal to sign to mark the beginning of the formula. Fine. This one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. Now we need another one is this. And what we have done, we fixed the row number earlier, right? So if I place a dollar sign here to fix the row number, whether it will serve the purpose or not. The purpose will be served or not, you just see. Heading fine, 394, it is okay with ABC. Now when I copy the formula, this time I have to drag it horizontally because the names are like this. So if I drag it like this, these 50 marks actually not added to them. Because you see, it has become what? D10. In D10, nothing is there. This is D10. And this one has become E10. In case of E10 also, nothing is there. So ultimately it is not serving the purpose. So what one thing we can do is, while writing the formula, instead of fixing the row now, we should fix the column name. If we fix the column name, and after that if we drag, see it was 341 and 359. Now if I drag it by 50, it has increased. So here also it is absolute, this one, here also it is not absolute reference yet. Here also we are mixing it. We are mixing the absolute and we are mixing the relative reference. To make fix both, whether you drag it horizontally or drag it vertically, it should not change. So fixing both horizontally and vertically, we should place the dollar sign in front of both. Now if you draw the formula this way also, it will not change. It will remain fixed. If you drag it this way horizontally also, it will not change. So placing the dollar sign in front of both row number and column name will make the cell absolute. So when you are referring to that particular cell, you are referring to that particular cell with the help of absolute reference. Fine. So in case of relative reference, no dollar sign. In case of mixed reference, there is dollar sign either in front of the row number or the column name. And in case of absolute reference, the dollar sign will be placed in front of both row number and column name. Clear?